So this is the first of 2 right here. My other one should be coming the 17th. Today's the 12th. Woo. I wasn't able to get the Cyberverse one. The only one I couldn't get. And then they're trying to sell it at like double the price. So I'm not paying the price of 2 controllers for 1 controller. That's just not happening for me. Here we go. I get out those. Look at that box. Look at that thing. Regular standard stuff on the side. Got the Space Jam on the side right there. Controller on the back. Shouldn't be throwing it that hard. Just trying to open this real quick. Bang, 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 bang. Let's see this thing. Whoo! Oh, whoop. Hold up. Come on, back up. Woo, look at that thing. Got the blue buttons, that's pretty cool. Got 2 different thumbsticks. Orange D-pad. Ooh, got the blue light. Oh, that's gonna be pretty cool. Having a blue light. Flip it over. Got the AA batteries usual. Then we got the Toon Squad back here. This controller, pretty cool looking controller. Yeah, I was able to get this one and the opposing thing. You got the 2 different triggers. I just noticed that too, with the hand grips matching. That's pretty cool. I was able to get this one, and the Goon Squad should be here in the next 5 days. What's that? Sunday, I think. And yeah, here we go. Again, I wasn't able to get the Cyberverse simply because I wasn't able to get it by the time I got to it, and then it was just a mess. It was just a whole mess trying to get these things. Cyberverse, and now they're trying to sell it online for like $140. I'm not paying the price of 2 of these for 1. It's just not happening. I wanted it, but not that bad. There we go. There we go.